right, welcome back to Asben TV. My name is Asunke Benjamin. Today we are going to change the color of this particular shirt, and when you learn this perfectly by following the steps that I am teaching, you can easily change the color of any particular cloth, any particular Lacoste, any particular material, or anything that you want to change. You can do that. Some people may think that when you pick the brush tool and you start to brush on it like this, it means you are going to change it. No, it's not going to work. So hold Ctrl Z to go back. All we're going to do now is you hold Ctrl J to duplicate the background layer. Then let's name this particular layer as shirt. Okay. Then you click OK. Let's make it at shirt. Now you will pick your quick selection tool. Then you start to select this particular t-shirt that the gentleman is wearing on the screen. So you can use the open bracket key to adjust or reduce the size of the quick selection tool. So let's zoom it in and change the color. So hold Alt to select it backwards. If you want it to be negative or you want it to be positive, you can use. So what we're going to do is we are just selecting only the shirt, so we don't need any edges or anything selected from the palm or the hand. Okay, so let's use the open bracket key to reduce this particular. All right. Okay, so let's increase it again. Let's push this one. The reason why I am not going fast is that I want to get it accurately. So never rush in anything. This is a tutorial, okay? This is not animation video. So we are not going to rush. I'll take my time to do it accordingly. So now let's move back to select only the shirt, okay? So let's zoom it in and check any necessary adjustment. All right, so let's reduce the size here and push this one to this limit. All right, so let's zoom it out again. Okay, so what we are going to do after selecting the particular shirt you want to change the color, or you want to edit it or add any skin tone or any particular adjustment to it, you will just click on the layer marks and add a layer marks to it. When you add it, you can see that the shirt is being selected. Now you can place in any material that you want to use as the pattern of the clothes. I will choose this particular design here. So when you place it in, adjust it to fit the cloth. Okay, don't let it close or don't let this a part of the cloth to be visible. Okay, put it on like this, right click on it and create clipping marks and add it to this layer, so automatically it will join. Now this is the previous one and this is the current one, but we are not done. Let's add some adjustment to this. So let's change the blending mode from normal to multiply. Okay, then double click on it or right click on it to choose blending options. After choosing the blending options, let's adjust some colors in this particular shade. So you hold Alt and you drag it from this side like this. You can see we are adding some reflections of light to it. Okay, so let's keep it like this. 2 4 1 and click OK. 2 4 1 and click OK. All right, so we can compare the previous one and the current one, previous one and the current one. For better understanding and better clarification, I will turn this off and place in another material. So let's choose this one, double click and put it inside. Hold Shift and adjust the cloth to the limit you want it to be. All right, put it on the shirt. Let us fit. Don't let us see any external edges of the shirt here. Click OK. Then you right click on the layer, you add it to clipping marks, you change the blending mode from normal to multiply. After that, double click on the layer again, then adjust the color reflections and the shadows in the shirt. Okay, so hold Alt and put this one backwards to 247 or 243. All right, so 23241 and click OK. So this is the current one. Okay, this is the initial one, this is the current one. So hold Control Alt to group these two layers. So you can turn it off easy like this. Control Z, sorry. So hold Control G and group them. All right, sorry for the mistakes. Okay, so let's move on. So now when I turn it off, I can turn this one on. Okay, so these are the difference in it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your comment under the comment section for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.